Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of May 16th through the 22nd in my Recollections vertical planner. I'm using another kit from Lovely Planner. Definitely been seeing a lot of these in my planner recently, but I've just been really enjoying her kits, and I think that they're a pretty good format for me. It's another one of her Gnomes kits. This one I think is just called Coffee Gnomes, but look how cute it is. I thought it was very springy, but also kind of fun, and I like the yellow and gold kind of colors in there as well. I do need to pull in some extra washi and things like that. So I'm pulling in this one from Michaels as one of my bottom washies, and then this is going to be the other one. I know I literally just used this the previous week. This is from AliExpress, but look at how well it goes with this kit. I should have just planned better, but I'm going to use the two of these. I think they're going to fit. Might be a little wide. I think I'll have to trim this black one off at the bottom, but I don't really care. It's going to be fine. I also pulled this one from AliExpress that's like this pink plaid, just in case I need it. And then for my headers, I'm going to use this sparkly one from Dollar Tree. I want to bring in some more of this black. I like that it's in there. And then these two are from Amazon. They're both too wide, but I'm just going to stick them in these two rows, and then it's not even going to be noticeable when I stick my full boxes down. So yeah, maybe what I'll do is I'll skip the floral one and use these two. Oh yeah, then it fits perfectly. Perfect. Never mind, not gonna double use it. I might still pull this one in during the week though, because it's super cute. I might use it in the sidebar, things like that. All right, so I'm gonna stick down all this washi in the weekend banner, and then, ooh, I actually don't think I need all of these washis. I just realized I think I did some extra planning. Let me go back to when I last used a Lovely Planner kit. Yeah, I only need one washi. Wow, that's so much easier. I did not think about that very well. I'm just going to use the black one because I think that's going to be the best. Plus, I want to pull in that black. So these two is the bottom washi. This one is the top washi. I'm apparently a mess today, but hopefully we can get everything together. And I will be right back for the interesting bits. All right, so that was basically a complete mess. My black washi ran out because the last round was just on the paper. So I have 3 headers now on my arm. The plaid washi also ran out. And then I had none left for this side. So I replaced that with the yellow. I replaced the black with the peach color. It's too tall, but I just pushed it into the date space. I have this little strip of this plaid washi. I might try to use it. We'll see. I'm just going to kind of set that to the side for now. But yeah, basically it was a complete mess. I have completely different plans than what I started with, but I think it's still looking cute. So let's deal with the full boxes. I think these two go together. And then I feel like these two and these two go together. Which leaves these two as kind of the like wild cards, as it were. So I'm gonna put the giant zoomed in gnome. I don't know what to call it. Anyway, that's gonna be my quote box. There we go. Which leaves this one that's kind of like its buddy. Over here, I'm gonna make it so that it lines up at the top. There we go. And then I think I want to do I think I'm going to do these guys next. I don't really know why, but I think I'm going to do these little like gray background ones. I don't know. Sorry, that's upside down. But there we go. And then this one can go on Friday. There we go. And then I think I want to divide up the other pink ones now too. I think I'm going to do this one on Tuesday because I think it looks more different than the quote box one. Got a lot of scrippy scraps. That is one problem with these kits. It'd be less of a problem if I was like better at cutting, but I'm not, so there we are. There we go. So it's going on Saturday. And then I'm going to do the little white background options. Last. They are like the most directional, I feel like. Like this one is on one side. And this one is kind of on one side. So I feel like they're the best for like the edges of the spread, as it were. So many scrippy scraps. All right, I can totally do this. There we go. There we go. All right, that's looking pretty cute, even if this is like way more work than one would think. I'm going to use these header guys because I already cut them and I want more black in the spread and I don't want to waste this like fun glittery washi. So there's one. I'm going to use one habit tracker. I think I'm going to use this like goldish colored one. Kind of break up the pink a little bit. I'm just going to trim the scrippy scraps with my scissors here. There we go. Another row of this. I'm going to check my like last one of these spreads. Oh, I did 2 habit trackers. Nope, I'm going to stick with 1 habit tracker. I think that's sufficient. It's going to be for tracking brushing Pepper's teeth, just like always. I track it in my Kit Life Daily as well, but it's also really important, so helpful to track it everywhere. All right, this is the meal planning thing. I think that's going to be helpful. And then I'm going to stick a row of this plaid washi. And then I'm going to stick down my last black header divider situation. And then I'm going to stick down another row of this plaid washi. There we go. It's not very friendly to cut. It leaves me this like little piece, which I could use, but I think I can just sacrifice it at this point, since there's not a lot left there. But that's my sidebar. We got there. It was an adventure, but we got there. Sorry, you couldn't see everything. Okay, so for the daily plans. First off, I have this American Crafts book. And if I can find it, there's this page that has kind of like all these icons. And I think I'm just going to use these little coffee cup guys for work. Because I think they go really well. with the spread. I don't actually drink coffee, but this whole kit is coffee themed, so how can I resist? I'm going to mark it down Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm just going to pull 2 more up because I'm going to need them later, and then I don't have to find this page again if I don't get there. Also on Monday, I am going to put up my plan with me. I forgot to grab anything that works for that, but I think I'm going to be good here. I'm going to use some of these yellow guys also from the American Crafts thing. There we go. I'm just going to pull a second one out since I'll need it for the second half of the week. That's all I really have for Monday. Tuesday, I pulled out this happy planner, like Gold Digger or something, I think that's called. And I'm going to pull this guy. It's like a check mark that fades from pink to yellow. So very appropriate for this kit. Right here, we have a school election that evening. So I definitely wanted to mark that down. Wednesday, busy work day, but nothing specific going on in the rest of my life. Now we get to the interesting part of the week. So Thursday, first thing I'm going to mark down is I have a doctor's appointment. So let me see what the most logical. I think maybe using one of these guys makes the most sense because I kind of don't want it to take up as much space as these other ones all seem to. Yep, we're gonna go with this. This is from the sticker patch. I think this pink is gonna go really well. So first up there, doctor's appointment. I will actually be doing a bit of work before I start my doctor appointment, but it's fine. And then we're going back to this Gold Digger book, and I'm going to find one of these boxes. It says appointment. And I'm just going to stick that in here. I have a work lunch. That's some people are coming in from out of town for it, so it's going to take up probably a couple of hours, if I would have to guess, plus travel time. So it's definitely going to be busy. That didn't tear perfectly, but it's fine. There we go. And then I'm going to stick down this coffee cup guy. Down here at the bottom because I still have the rest of my work day. And then that evening, not really sure what's happening. We'll see how that goes. Friday, I have work. I have a video going up. Not sure what it's going to be yet, but you'll know when I know. Actually, before this video is up, you'll know. So you can see there. And then my family is going to come into town. And so let me see if I can find it because now I've like lost all my stickers because I rearranged everything. I lost everything I was doing. Here we go. So I have my Dollar Tree sticker book, and I'm going to pull this guy that says Family Weekend, and I'm going to stick it right here. My parents are going to be arriving Friday evening. And then because my parents are in town, we don't currently have anything specific planned for the weekend, so that's just going to be left open for now. So this is where we're at right now with the spread. Definitely busier than usually happens in pre-planning lately, but I think it's a good start. This part of the week is definitely going to be the most busy part. So stick around for just a second and you can see how the finished spread turned out. Okay, here is the finished spread. I love how it turned out. I'll do a little wiggle and a twerk. It's not really any foil, but it looks super cute. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit from Lovely Planner. I do have a few leftovers, as usually happens with these kits. I'm just gonna throw that in my leftover stack, which I will eventually sort through again. This bottom washi, the floral one's from Michaels, the other one's from Amazon. This washi along the top is also from Amazon. The black glitter washi is the last that I had left from Dollar Tree, and then this little plaid is from AliExpress. All these coffee cups are from an American Crafts book, as are these little light bulb guys, also American Crafts. This checkbox is from the Happy Planner. This skinny washi is from Amazon. This is from the sticker patch. This is a Happy Planner, more American Crafts. This is from Dollar Tree, more American Crafts, Happy Planner, American Crafts, Happy Planner, Happy Planner. Everything else came from the kit. So I think it turned out super cute and fun and colorful. Definitely very spring-like, which was nice for this week. It was definitely very springy, kind of hot, but we had a nice weekend with my family in town. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know down below if you are doing anything fun for summer as we're starting to get into that summer weather. I would love to hear about that. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. I also show bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, things like that. And until next time, bye.